Do plants have feelings? The science behind emotional connection with flowers and plants. Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today, we're exploring one of the most fascinating questions in the world of plants. Do flowers and plants have feelings? Can they sense and respond to our emotions? Microscope scientific background. In biology, emotions and emotional perception are associated with the nervous system, brain, and neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and adrenaline. Plants don't have brains, neurons, or a central nervous system. So, from a scientific standpoint, plants can't feel emotions like joy, fear, or love in the way humans or animals do. But the story doesn't end there. Plant neurobiology. Plant neurobiology is a field that emerged in the early 2000s, and it has shown that plants have complex internal communication systems. While they don't have neurons, they can transmit electrical and chemical signals throughout their tissues. Defensive response to damage. A 2013 study by Virginia Tech showed that when an insect bites a plant's leaf, the plant sends electrical signals to other parts of its body, triggering the production of defensive chemicals like alkaloids or bitter compounds. Detecting touch and vibrations. A 2014 study from the University of Missouri found that Arabidopsis thaliana could hear the sound of a caterpillar chewing by detecting the specific vibrations, and it responded by producing chemical defenses. Note: plants don't have ears, but they can sense mechanical vibrations. Chemical communication with other plants. A 2018 paper in Nature Ecology Evolution showed that trees such as acacia or poplar release airborne chemical signals when under attack. These chemicals warn nearby plants to prepare their defenses. So, do plants feel? Plants are highly sensitive to their environment and can detect light and darkness, touch and vibration, specific sounds, chemicals in the air and soil. But this is not feeling in the conscious, emotional sense. Plants don't have minds or subjective experiences. And what about talking to plants? This is a popular question. A study by the UK's Royal Horticultural Society found that talking to plants may help them grow slightly faster. However, this is likely due to sound vibrations or, more importantly, increased attention and care from the human caretaker. In short, when you talk to your plant, it's not actually understanding your words, but you're becoming more observant and attentive, which benefits the plant. Conclusion: plants do not have brains or emotions, but they do have complex systems for sensing and responding to the environment. They can detect touch, light, sound vibrations, and chemicals, but they don't experience emotions the way animals do. Our emotional connection with plants is more about us, but it can still positively affect the plant through better care and attention. So, next time you talk to your plant, know that while it may not feel love, it is responding to your care in its own fascinating biological way. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And let us know in the comments, what kind of connection do you feel with your plants?